Everybody, got a quick tool video, which is a tool haul I got from Napa, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some wrenches from Napa probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, probably longer than that. Just getting around to doing the video. So I picked up, these are all part number. C is in Charlie, W is in Whiskey, L is in Lima, N is in Northern, S is in Sam. This is a 120M, and if you flip the next one over, it will say the same with 121M. So this is a 120 millimeter, this is a 21, 22, 23, 24, so on and so forth. I picked up the 20, and these are with the gripping teeth inside the open end. I also have the 18 and 19 with the smooth jaw on the open end, which I'm going to get the 18 and 19 in this style with the open end with the teeth. I'm going to get the 18 and 19 for those. I just haven't picked them up yet, but I picked up the 20, 21, 22, 23, and the 24. I didn't even take it out of the bag yet. So let's drop this down. Here is 24, and it's CWLNS 124M, Charlie, Whiskey, Lima, Northern, Sam 124, M as in Mary. They're all exactly the same. So if you were looking specifically for these wrenches with the teeth and the open end, all you gotta do is say you want the Charlie, Whiskey, Lima, Northern, Sam 1, and then the number size you want, and then M as in Mary. So if you want a 22, it would be 122M. If you want a 21, it'd be 121M. And these go all the way up to 32, which I will be picking those up as well. I'll be picking up 25 millimeter, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 32. They do not have a 31 for whatever reason. Take this one off. Take this one off. So, just going to be a short little video. I'm going to label this as an unboxing and a quick look video. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.